Hi guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. I'm going to show you how to make these delicious oven-baked chicken wings. And so, of course, I'm going to start washing my chicken wings up as I'm doing here. If you believe in it, wash your chicken. If you don't wash your chicken. It's up to you, child. But this is what it looks like. I'm washing it with some lime juice and water today, but you can use vinegar or like coarse salt. And just rinse it up really well. All right, so to my clean washed chicken wings, I'm gonna add some brown sugar to it. And this brown sugar is not gonna make the wings sweet. It's just gonna make it, very balanced. It does have a slight sweetness to it, but it's not overly sweet at all. I added some cumin, some It's Lit lemon pepper. It's Lit lemon pepper will be back this fall, so make sure you guys save your coin. I used the all-purpose seasoning and some smoked paprika as well as some salt. I've used this seasoning mix a few times before, but I'm definitely going to list it below so you guys can try it out at home. I also added some hot sauce because why not? And this is what it looks like. And now I'm just going to bake it off. It was just that easy, that simple, full of flavor and delicious. So you want to add all your wings to a baking pan, aluminum foil, your air fryer, wherever, your grill. Ooh, child, I need to do a grill recipe, but my God, you guys, it is just so hot in Texas. Literally, it's so hot. And so to this, I'm also going to add some red bell peppers and some mangoes because why not? I had it laying around. It was on its last leg. I said, let me just throw these mango pieces right on the wings, and they're going to be great anyway, going with the flavor profile. So this is pretty much what I did. So I put some butter on top, and I'm just going to pop it into a 375-degree oven. And in about 40 minutes, I checked it, and this is what it looked like. Of course, it looks, meh. It looks good, but it looks meh. So now what you want to do is you want to baste it. So I basted the wings really well. You want to get all the juices all over the wings. And this is pretty much where the magic, quote, happens. It gets the chicken nice and glazed. You don't have to use extra sauce, because you already have the sauce, accumulated in the bottom. So you want to put it all over your wings like I'm doing here. Get it nice and juiced up, no pun intended. And look at the mango pieces, you guys. These wings are so good. Like I said, they're so simple and easy to make and just full of flavor. And I make it all the time, especially on chicken thighs. This recipe is also great with chicken thighs. If you prefer thighs over wings, personally, I'm a breast and wing girl, but let's stick to the script. So now I'm just going to pop it back in the oven, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's actually done. So this is what the wings look like. Nice and delicious, crispy on the edges, moist on the inside. And like I said, this is a repeat recipe, except for sometimes I don't have mangoes on here. I don't have mangoes, but I had them and I decided to use them, and it just went really well. So this is me attempting to break into one while it was still piping hot and almost burnt my finger off. But yeah, look how juicy, delicious. And I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, tag me and let me know what you think. I love you for your support. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you try the wings, tag me and let me know what you think. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.